Hello, welcome back to the channel, or welcome to the channel if you're new. Now, with this little video, we're going to start work on the Volvo F7. For those that saw the post earlier, I think I posted up, we've got 2 new steer tyres for it. So now we're going to start cracking on with it, now we've got a bit of time. So we've got this wheel here, which is the teardrop, which matches them ones. Which we'll take that knackered old Michelin off, which is, we don't even know how old and tired it is, but it's. I don't think so, because I don't think they put dot codes in. They started making dot codes in like 2000 and something, so it's before that, isn't it? So we've got that wheel, which is going to get a new, brand spanking new 22.5 steer tyre on to replace this one, which is the oval, because all the other wheels on the outside are teardrops. And then the new, because these are new tyres, well, not new, but they're old, they're over 10 years old. Because of the new steer tyre law, you've got to have tyres that are under 10-year-old, which is a bit stupid and annoying, but it is what it is. So we're going to put them, which are, look how new, much meat's left on them. So that one's going to go on the rear, inside rear. The other side is going to go on the inside rear, and then we're putting the other inside rear, because that has a teardrop on as well on that side. It's a lot of work, but it'll make all the wheels match, and we want to. So, but yeah, we're starting work. So Dad's just on taking the valve out of this thing now. We'll knock that tyre off, and Dad's going to blast that in the shed while we've got primer going off, and then hopefully we can get that painted into a nice shiny silver, which is hunky-dory. I can't wait. Dad's going to start this weekend. I'm doing lots of other things at the same time, so it's kind of hard for me to join in, but I'm going to join in as much as I can, and we're going to get this thing repaired and ready for test, and then hopefully we'll get it out into some shows this year.
Fucking hell.
I was expecting to be a lot tighter than that, but oh well, that's good. I didn't expect it to be like 1420 light, but couldn't do that with 1420. Yeah. So that's that one off. I'm just opening and kind of pop. Now we've had a plan, so we've got a plan. Now something's happened. We've got a plan. So that's that one off there. That's that tyre off, ready to go in there, get blasted. And next, I'm going to start the wagon up, because it's this side on there that we want off. So we can take that tyre off, which is, look at that bad boy. Oh, they're due to come off. I don't want to blow out. The wagon started up, so I can throw the leg up, or leg down, lift that side of the wagon up, and I can buzz that wheel off. And we've got a new Milwaukee gun, which takes the wheel nuts off. Yee. Nice and easy Milwaukee gun. And to be fair, my windy gun, my air power windy gun, my MG 725 snap-on gun, that takes the wheel nuts off, which is good. I've got a trace for 2, and I'll do a video of taking them off. I love jumping into this thing. Can't wait to get it on the road again. I can't wait to get on the road again. Give us some heat. I need to tension or put new auxiliary belts on, because it doesn't start charging the battery properly yet. Gotta wait for some oil pressure to build up, and then I'll give her a blip once the oil pressure builds up, and then when I give it a blip, it obviously spins the alternator in, so she actually charges, and then sets all the buzzers away and make sure everything works. Got some oil pressure, you can see, building up some nice oil pressure. So let us build some wind up while I finish mixing my colour up for my actual job, which I'm delaying because I want to play with the wagon instead. I'm excited. I want to get a wagon. Well, I say I want to get a wagon. I would like to get a wagon when I can afford one. But then look how smoky it is. Cold. So we've got lifted up, backed up, lifted up. Got my new gun set on full whack, and she does just rattle them off like. One.
Ready to go.
So I've got to do the wheel off. I'm just knocking that one back on because that one's staying as the outside. Went and dug out one of the spares it had, lying around the back, which has gone on the inside because that inside there is going to become, this inside here is going to become the new front. So we have a full match and set the teardrops all the way around. Clever like, isn't it? Bloody hell. But those tires have been on longer than I've been around. Much longer. That's the tyres knocked off, and Dad's going to blast them and paint them as soon as we get a chance. The wheels are blasted, as you can see, nice and clean. This is actually a Mercedes wheel, I found a stamp on it, and this one is actually a Volvo wheel. I found a stamp on this one as well. So Dad's going to paint these today, get these painted, and then looking to be going off. He's actually on holiday, he's coming to paint them before he goes away.
This is just on number 3.
Yeah, it's just on number 3, I think.
I've just put on number 3.
Yeah, if it's just on number 3, yeah, it'll just should just rattle them off. There we go.
It's hard in your love, that one. It's
Yeah.
off, yeah, but ear defender.
The tyres are there. Dad's just on with that. I've got Mum's car to service today, so I'm not fully playing with the wagon today. So I'm playing with the wagon and the cars. Tyres are here, warming up in the sun so they can be more pliable. And then Dad's on rattling the wheels off with the new Milwaukee gun. Yeah, and I am Mum's car. That's loud. What else am I saying? Oh, and then I've got to go and trim exit lampy. Happy days. Look, lovely bright day. I think this one, the stamp is a Volvo wheel. The other one's a Merc one, like, but it's the same pattern, same holes and everything. So tyres been in the sun warming up. And get this clicked on here.
We'll have some soap on there, I think, yeah?
Yeah, get it soaked up. We'll use a new soap.
Just pour it in there and we'll just
Mix all together. Dad's on, taking the wheel off now. It's jacked up, we've got two jacks underneath it in the front. We've got bottle jack to wind it up, one's acting like a axle stand. We've got the back end up on the legs with a couple of chocks in there. Mum's car's done and gone, so I'll help Dad with this before I bugger off and help Mum with the Hawthorn. Also, if you think my hat's wonky, it's because it is. I've got a spot right where my hat sits, so lucky me. There again, it washes me out if I stand that way, so let's get this jacked up. I'll put it on time lapse so you can watch us heaving and hauling and yarking on. Well, as you can probably see there, all the wheels and tyres are done. I'm just jumping in to start her up. And kick the PTO in so that I can drop the legs down so I can get the back end on the floor. Put her away and I will go to Mum's house. So yeah, good job done. We're one step closer to getting it ready for shows and get it ready for MOT. Just got to spend another day on it, like clean it up. Got to get the fan belts undone, so we'll jack the carb up and check the belts off. Might put new belts on it. If not, we'll just tension them up. We'll just go from there. We're winning. We're winning, getting there. So hopefully we'll be able to do a couple of shows this year. Can't wait. And of course, you've always got to do this. I'm a child. Well, I think that'll do for this video because we're not going to get any more done today because I've got to go do Mum's hedge. We're going to, next time it's out, we're going to run around the estate and then we're going to torque them up with the bar. It's just easier when it's out in the yard instead of trying to crawl around the sides. So we'll get that done and then she's about ready for test. Well, about ready to get ready for test. Give her a wash and put the belts and stuff on. So yeah, that'll do for this video. Hopefully enjoying this content, and I'm really hoping to get more content like this up. So if you enjoy it, feel free to subscribe. Subscription costs nothing. It's not like some subscription services. YouTube, you can subscribe to anything you want. It doesn't cost you a penny. All you need is an account. And if you subscribe, you can hit the little bell button and the little like button, little thumbs up button. That helps the content get out there. And yes, I hope you're enjoying the videos, and we'll come back to you soon as I get some more time on it. And yeah, that'll do for now. Ta-ra for now, and catch you all soon.